We're going to try and contact a spirit in here because I've got a feeling this place is very haunted. Basically it's very haunted, this place. So we're going to try and call out to a spirit and then we're going to fuck off and go. So, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to do it.
Oh shit, I'm fucking like it.
Right, is any spirits here? Please show us a sign. Touch one of us. Push us down the stairs, whatever you want to do. Shag me, whatever you want to do. Should we come here next time when I've got the full camera equipment?
Yeah, but I have to whip more. It stings.
Someone's here, touch me on the shoulder.
This is proper mint, this.
Whisper in my ear.
Yeah. Throw a stone, throw a brick.
Even throw a piece of wood here, look.
Oh, I can get some wood now, look. Oh, we can hide here. Oh, yes, we found somewhere we can hide.
Someone's smoking. Oh shit! Someone's smoking. Jump down that bit.
What?
That's the boat we've just been on, but we need to get up there. So
Careful on there, because it's, look.
we need to get up there. So
We can behave to go up there. Oh, you can. You just have to go around that one.
What, see how high this is?
Oh shit.
Oh, no. What?
Oh, that fucking
Oh, shit.
falling apart. This shit. Careful where you're standing.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, there where you stood. It's like right there.
Oh, I'm worried about Shannon. That's what I'm worried about. Hey?
Shannon, don't step on the other side. No, don't step there.
He has to go on that wood.
Stepping straight on wood. Fuck me, man.
This is an adventure, isn't it, Curtis? We'll never forget. We'll come down here again next week. It's the same week. Curtis, you coming down next week after we're done Monday?
Yeah.
Because we can be in the first new group and I could put you on video on YouTube if you want. No, don't. Should I put you onto my YouTube channel and then we all can do it? Eh? You alright, Shannon? We could be the new Explorers, the YouTube channel, so I won't be going on my own, you see, too. You are? This is a big place, guys. This is a big place, guys. We've got another toilet here.
Anyone need a piss?
They're looking horrible, guys, down here, look. There's a toilet. There's so, guys, we're looking through here. Another toilet. You what? Right.
Massive hole here.
Right, cheers.
Is anyone here?
Yeah, we're gonna fucking kick shit. Hey, what's that door to? I wonder if that were back to
I will try and get it.
thing. We'll all have to get some professional cameras like you've got. I've got one. Get your mum to get you one, and you, Curtis, and then we'll all can go out and do them onto YouTube.
Hello.
I heard someone down there. I heard noises.
Hello.
There is a doorway down there. So that means there's an attic.
No, there's anybody in here.
Oh, we can get down there. We need to find them stairs.
Yeah, we're here.
Let's
Abandoned
climb
place.
down. We have one of these doors. We have one of these doors.
I hope I can get this onto YouTube onto my laptop and then laptop
Anthony, if we
YouTube.
can move one of these doors down there, we'll be able to climb down.
Careful, buddy.
You can if you sit here on the ledge.
These are my new friends, Explorers, for you and YouTube channel.
Oh,
So you'll
I've
see
never
them a
actually
lot.
been down that.
This is Shannon and this is Curtis.
I've never actually been down that part there.
Oh,
like,
if you
where
move
that door
these
is, so I
doors,
don't know where
there's
we are.
steps right underneath these doors. You can get down. Look, if you look to the side, there's
Yeah.
stairs right underneath the door.
Yeah.
And it is pitch black in here, guys, as you just seen when I turn the light off.
But if you come down this way, instead,
Fuck off. Whoa.
instead of looking thing, you'd be able to get through.
Wow.
Someone's been drinking in here. Smoke fresh beer.
Yeah, I can. Is there through here? Fucking hell, it's pitch black in there. As you can see, guys, it's pitch black in this place, guys. I think this is shower room. I think this is shower room.
Stairs.
Oh, whoa. Right, be careful on here. Whoa, this don't look very careful, this floor.
Smell like dog fruits.
Yeah. Oh, sick, man.
Wait, there's a door here.
Hey, Jessica, what?
I thought I took a bit of Jessica Marriott's nails upstairs. You didn't look.
Oh, should we go back up and have a look?
Yeah. I want to get down that attic floor. Is there no way you can move them doors?
But it's gonna be fucking. Them doors, there is steps underneath them.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Move them doors, lay them flat,
Yeah.
and build a wall over them.
But we've got no doors.
So guys, if I can't get this video onto YouTube, I'll be doing this on Facebook, so you might be able to watch it. And but
Me and Elliot used to sit on this.
I'll bring him in proper equipment soon to do it all over again.
Upstairs anyway.
Wow.
There's another
Yeah.
set of stairs somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere. You can see all the wallpaper coming off. Look at that. I think this used to be a fire. It used to be a fire, I think that.
There's an attic. There's this part up here, and then there's
Yeah.
an attic area at top.
Right.
Oh, shit.
No, I don't think we'd do that, guys.
Unless you just come.
We can push that down there, but fucking don't know if it's holding up any of that wood.
Yeah.
Just climb down.
We are actually 2 meters apart, guys.
Look, if you look up there,
Yeah.
Anthony, there's a square for an attic. But I
Yeah,
don't know how
if you-
to
if
get
you
up
look-
there.
Oh, there's another one, yeah.
There's an attic up there. If you look up, there's.
Yeah.
Come here, Curtis.
Shouldn't-
Climb up these ladders.
If you look where I am.
So guys, I'm going now. I'm going to take some pictures.